Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do affiliate marketing, how I'm making most of my affiliate sales. And to be honest with you, this method is not quite beginner friendly, but nevertheless, you need to watch this video. And also in the end of this video, there is a really important message. So please watch this video till the end. That is really important. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that, you can use Digistore24, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus, Kickstarter, Amazon, or any other affiliate network. But for this example, I am going to use Clickbank. And let's say I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on health and fitness. And I need to click here on diets and weight loss. And what you need to do, you actually need to research all of these products to find the best product to promote. And let's say I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Here you can see on average, I can make $57 per sale. And here you can see gravity is 153, which is a good gravity. So what I need to do, I actually need to open their affiliate tools page in a new tab. So let me just pause this video on the minute so I can log into my affiliate tools page. Okay, I logged in and here you can find actually some really good and really useful tools that we will use in order to promote this product. And now when we have our product, now we need to start promoting this product. And to promote our affiliate product, we are going to use Google Ads. And as you can see by now, Google Ads are not free. This is not free method, but Google Ads are one of the best ways to promote affiliate products. And not just affiliate products, but also to build your mailing list, your blog, your website, your online and offline business, and so on and so on. And when I registered my account a few years ago on Google Ads, where after I spent $50, Google gave me $100 coupon code. So basically I had $150 budget for my first ad campaign. As far as I can understand, now you need to spend $75 in order to get that $100 coupon code on Google. And obviously the first thing you need to do, you need to sign up. Click here in upper right corner on sign up and you can literally sign up with your Gmail account. And after you register, you will need to create a new campaign. This is how it looks. And here you need to choose objective, depending from what you wish to do. Do you wish to make sales? Do you wish to make leads, web traffic, app promotion, or whatever you wish to do? Because we are talking about affiliate marketing, because we wish to promote our affiliate product, we are going to click here on sales. And by default, it will be purchase. So what you need to do, you just need to click here on continue. And here you need to choose what you actually wish to do. You wish to choose, do you wish to search performance max, display, shopping, or whatever? You wish to choose performance max, okay? And here you don't need to do anything. You can change the campaign name. So let's just say keto, okay, keto, and then click here on continue. And here you need to choose how much money you wish to spend each day. So let's just say, for example, my daily budget is $10. And when you click here, set a target cost per action. That is what you wish to choose. Here you can choose how much you are willing to pay per click. For example, let's just say 15. That is 15 cents per click. And of course, later you can change this. You can increase your bid, you can decrease your bid, or whatever you want. And they will actually change this according to your campaign. So what you need to do next is just click here on next. And here you need to choose targeting country. You can choose all countries. You can choose specific country. When you click here, enter another location, you can choose different country. Let's just say United States, United Kingdom, Mexico, so and so on and so on. But I wish to choose United States. Languages, by default, it is English. Here you can type the different language if you want, but I will stick with the English language. And here, final URL. When you click here on more settings, you will get more options. Campaign URL options, that is what you need. What you need to do, you need to click here only send traffic to the URL you provided, because we wish to send traffic to our affiliate link. You need to click here, okay? And when you click here on campaign URL options, and here you need to add your affiliate link. Now, I already have my affiliate link. So I will just copy and I will paste it here, okay? And you don't need to do anything more here. Just click here on next and add asset group. Well, I will just say, for example, keto one, okay? And here you need to add a final URL again, that is your affiliate link, okay? And here you need to add images, just click here on images, and you can then click here on upload and upload images from your desktop. Now, I already told you that we were going to need their affiliate tools page. You can download images from their affiliate tools page. Now you need to add a logo. You can find logo on their affiliate tools page, and all you have to do is just click here on logos. And I already uploaded logo. Let me just click here on save. And I added my logo. And here you can see how your ad will look on different platforms. Here you can see how it will look on YouTube. Here you can see how it will look on Gmail. Here you can see how it will look on Google search, on display, on Discover. And when you scroll here, you can add videos. I don't want to add videos now. And here you need to add headlines. You can add 3 headlines up to 30 characters, okay? You can add more if you want, but I will just add 3 headlines. I already prepared the headlines, so I will just copy this and I will paste that here, okay? And I will copy another one, just Control C, and I will paste it here, okay? And the third one, I will just copy this and I will paste it here. And you can add more headlines if you want. You don't really need that, but if you want, you can add more headlines. And here you can add long headlines. Now I already prepared that as well. So let me just copy this, okay? And actually I will use this one here, okay? Control C, and I will paste it here. You can add more long headlines if you want, but for now I will add just this one. And then you can scroll here and you can add short description of your ad. I already prepared that as well. So I will just Control C, copy this, and I will paste it here. And I have another one. So I will just Control C here and I will paste it here. And you can add more descriptions if you want. And here you need to add call to action. So just click here and I will just say, because this is a custom keto diet, I will just say learn more, okay? And here you can see how my ad will look like. And when you go here you can add your business name. Let's just say keto diet, okay? Keto diet. And here you need to click here on create an audience signal, okay? And now you need to add an audience name. Let's just say keto. For this example, you will choose different name. And you need to click here on custom segments, okay? And here you need to give a segment name. Let's just say again keto, okay? And here you can find those keywords, keto related keywords, okay? And for some reason that it doesn't work right now. I don't know why, but usually it opens drop down menu and you can see different related keywords like keto, keto diet, weight loss and stuff like that. And all you have to do after that, after you add all of those keywords, and like I said, you will add more keywords here, and here you can add data, people who previously interacted with your business. You don't have that yet because you created your account just now, so you need to click here on create new data list, and you need to create that list. So next time when you start a similar campaign, you can use that list so you don't have to do all of this. And here interests and details, you need to also find some interests and details. For example, weight loss, for example, and you can choose weight loss, you can choose keto and stuff like that. And also here you can choose more demographics like gender, age, and so on and so on. And after you finish everything, just click here on save and you will save this, and then just scroll here and click on next to go on the next step. Here you don't really need to do anything, just scroll here and click here on next, okay? And here you can see I actually need to add at least one landscape image. I actually didn't do that, I only added a square image. You need to add both square image and landscape image. So if you get a message like this, just go back and then add your landscape image, in this case, or square image. And after that, just click here on purchase campaign and you will start your campaign and Google will start sending traffic to your affiliate offer. Now, this is really important. You saw in this video that I used the direct affiliate link. What often happens is that Google doesn't allow a direct affiliate links because Google doesn't quite like affiliate links. And that is why you need to build a bridge website. Not a bridge page, but a bridge website. And in that bridge website, you need to provide more value. You need to provide more information about that product. And if you do a good job, then your conversion rate will be better. You will make more sales and Google will like your campaign because you provide value. And also you need to build a bridge web page because then you can install a tracking tag and then you can track your campaign better. You can get better and more precise data, and that will help you to optimize your campaign better, and in the end it will help you to lower the cost of the ad campaign. And also when you have a tag installed on your web page, on your website, next time when you start a new similar campaign, you can use exactly the same audience, which will as a result have lower initial cost on your ad campaign, and that will make you make more sales, make more money with less ad campaign budget. And that is why you need to make a bridge website. That is really, really important. So this is how I do affiliate marketing in 2022 and how I make most of my affiliate sales. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.